2024 was a year when every living soul on earth heaved a sigh of great relief. This year expected that the folds and creases of 2023, the year when the health threat was still not within our control, should have been smoothened out if not totally eradicated.
The year began with a jambalaya of activities of the university.
A two-day futures thinking activity brought the heads of various offices together in order to plan out for a strategic foresight and for the purpose of achieving transformative goals of the university.
Early January, JH Cerriles State College of Pagadian City conducted its benchmarking activity at ZPPSU,
where university high-ranking officials opened their doors to share notable best practices of the university and be of assistance to a neighboring souk. Another benchmarking activity was conducted by the ZPPSU and Cebu Technological University. ZPPSU IGP officials had a collaborative exchange with the CTU on its best practices.
Dr. Cabral's total commitment to infrastructure development elicited a positive response from Zamboanga City Mayor Honorable John Dalipe.
The city will be funding two edifices, a 4-story admin building with a parking space worth 336 million and another 75 million 4-story laboratory building for the School of Business Administration.
In February of 2024, CHED officials from central and regional offices led the ceremonial turnover of the CHED-funded equipment to include
30.7 million Advanced Mechatronics and Industrial Automation Laboratory, 9.9 million Learning Management System, LMS platforms and e-learning solution, 9.4 million Enhanced Teaching and Learning of Engineering and Tech programs through e-learning solutions, 10 million Soil Testing Laboratory, and 10 million for upgrading of CICS Laboratory. In May 2024, the university unveiled the pioneering state-of-the-art Smart Factory Laboratory. This university being the first state university in Mindanao to offer the Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, Mechatronics, BSIT Mechatronics course with a fully equipped smart factory setup.
The ZPPSU College of Arts, Humanities, and Social Sciences held a blessing and launching activity of the ZPPSU Campus Radio in October of 2024.
A month later, in November, a dream come true for the university. The blessing and inauguration ceremony of the Metals Engineering Innovation Center, MEIC, was held with dignitaries from Department of Science and Technology.
A memorandum of agreement between the ZPPSU and DPWH for the 50 million Vitali campus building was signed in 2024.
The latter as the primary engineering and construction arm of the government for a project exceeding 5 million. The Department of Trade and Industry and ZPPSU long-term partners of the university under the Shared Service Facility SSF also signed a memorandum of agreement in August of last year with the university as Center of Jewelry Making.
The jewelry equipment worth 7.5 million at the Fab Lab is expected to come up with its own brands of jewelry.
Commit to support jewelers in the city. Open the utilization of the machine to jewelry makers. In the international arena, our visionary president graced the 4th International Research and Education Conference as an inspirational speaker held in New York City, USA in June 2024. This was organized by the Association of Filipino Teachers and Educators in America that has provided a platform to examine research and conduct dialogues and create possible futures in which education shapes a better world for all stakeholders. A memorandum of understanding signing between ZPPSU and AFTA New York followed.
ZPPSU is commended by DBM for its exemplary performance in its Agency Performance Review of 2023.
The review covered an assessment for the physical, financial, and income performances, thereby reflecting the commitment of the university to continuous improvement and innovation.
The Cash per Work program of DSWD awarded 121 beneficiaries to all ZPPSU Extension campuses,
were 41 from Malangas Campus, 40 from CI Campus, and 40 from Cabasalan Campus. Another 15,000 pesos each financial assistance through Dulong Dulong program benefited 96 grantees from the ZPPSU Ana Baquial Campus. The first quarter of the year also convened the 4 campuses to a General Assembly highlighting its achievements and accomplishments, underscoring the university's dedication to fostering a collaborative environment and at the same time gearing for the launching of another campus the ZPPSU Bayog Campus. The ZPPSU celebrated a week-long ZPPSU Fiesta 2024, hosted by the College of Physical Education and Sports. During the State of the University address by the University President, Dr. Nelson P. Cabral, emphasized the developments and progress of the university in his 7th year as president. He also outlined his plans while expressing support for the newly ranked college professors. The ZPPSU has also welcomed new sets of officers of the Faculty Association of the University in ceremonial oath-taking, led by the University President in the presence of the COMELEC Board as witnesses. The association was now headed by the Faculty Regent, Honorable Rachel Lorena. The university, while gearing to be an ISO 9001-2015 certified Polytechnic State University in the Philippines, the ZPPSU top management officials attended a 4-day technical guidance quality management system expansion at one of the local hotels in the city.
In the succeeding months, the Development Academy of the Philippines, DAP, also went to ZPPSU extension campuses in Malanga, Zamboanga, Sibugay, and Vitali in Zamboanga City.
A 3-day strategic performance management system training seminar was also conducted in coordination with the Civil Service Commission Regional Office. CSC Regional Director Attorney Mario Jose T. Kunting with Admin Officer Ms. Maricar Corina P. Canaya centered their discussion on the PMS cycle.
In August 2024, the top management team convened for the agency performance review.
The event aims to help transform and move the institution toward its bigger picture and goal, an opportunity to keep employees engaged in their professional development. AccRep Incorporation Executive Director Dr. Milabel Ho had a serious talk with the University President for the provision of technical assistance for the upcoming accreditation. This was in preparation of the university-wide accreditation of Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University. The university also hosted a relative activity, a 3-day training on accreditation of contractors' performance evaluation at the Grand Astoria Hotel this city.
For periodic audits, the Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering program, the flagship of the university, underwent a joint monitoring by the Marina and SED in September 2024.
The university conducted gender and development activities, one in late June and other in October of 2024, in pursuit of gender equality inclusive of workplace.
The ZPPSU held a groundbreaking for the 400 meters rubberized track oval and mini grandstand in December 2024. This is funded by Senator Sonny Angara.
DPWH officials together with officials of the Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University attended the occasion. 2024 was a year filled with events and activities, pushing the universities forward in terms of improved operations in both academic and administrative functions, an empowered human resource, a mandate-oriented culture, and a productive educational segment of the community and the society as a whole.
A year-end fellowship activity for the entire Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University closed the fiscal year of 2024.